Tips and tricks for caring for your dog. A dog is a man's best friend, but how do you know that you are properly taking care of your dog if your dog doesn't speak the same language? Learning how to take care of your pet is very important. You need to consider the following helpful advice for taking care of your dog. Look into subsidized health care for your dog if money is tight. Many local communities, in cooperation with groups like the SPCA, offer discounted services that have proven invaluable to dog owners. Look into getting your dog spayed or neutered and vaccinated for a fraction of veterinary costs at a sponsored event probably close by to you. Just contact the SPCA or an animal shelter in your town. Take care to keep your dog cool while traveling during the summer by car. Even with your air conditioning on, the dog may become overheated in his pet carrier. A simple and low-cost countermeasure is freezing a few gallon jugs of water and placing them near him where he can curl up and cool off. If you are interested in providing your dog with the healthiest of diets and making positive contributions to the Earth's environment, make his food from scratch. You can buy locally grown organic ingredients and provide him all the proteins, carbs and fats he needs with no preservatives while reducing the waste from packaging as well. Be a good neighbor and discourage your dog from barking, unless he is alerting you to danger. Most people get used to the sound of their dog yelping, but others find it a constant annoyance. If your dog barks often, consider talking to your vet about what could be causing it and how you can put a stop to it, for everyone's sake. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he or she may eventually come in contact with a skunk. If he gets sprayed, mix together 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide solution, but make sure it is no more than 3%. Apply the mixture to your dog's coat and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wash your dog off well afterward. Now that you know more about some great advice for taking care of your dog, you can make sure your loving addition to the family is pleased and satisfied. Your dog is going to do everything he can for you, so you need to make sure you return the favor. Use the information you have read to help you. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.